Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Livsa. Today I'm going to say you one topic which is regarding self-independent, especially for a woman. Why self-independent is important in your life. So let me first start you from current scenarios. Nowadays, if you check in every different fields like pilot, doctor, engineer, banker, either it is a private job or any government job, both men and women are equally and they are doing the work equally. Neither there will be competition like women will be go high and boys will be down. It's not like this. They both are equally. And if you check nowadays, women want to be a financially strong because the expenditure spends everything is quite high compared to previously. And this pandemic situation learned us a lot where people are lost their basic lifestyle, people are lost their business, and people are lost their jobs and salary cut off, etc. So if you have a passive income, if you have some other income from other side, if you are a financially strong and if you have a well proper financial planning and management, definitely this type of tragedy if it is coming, then you can save yourself. So now I'm telling you some certain criteria and reason where women will facing difficulties and what they need, where you need to do this. Self independence is a very important things nowadays. Women's they are very well versed in both household work and both office work. They are very well manage everything properly. They do plan for their own family's financial planning and they do save the money. They do planning for retirement also. If you check with the women, what is the problem? Why they are facing that much of lack of things? See, as a girl, I'm telling you, I have completed my graduation. Then my family want to be married. Then it is married. Then whatever dreams, whatever passion of my work, I have stopped completely there. I cannot do this because of marriage, then family pressure, then child. Second reason coming to you are a good experience, you are a good master in educations and very good skills, but same thing after marriage and so you have to leave your job. After that there is a like depression things in your in between which you cannot share with anyone, which is killing you inside. What is my identity? After all, I have been that much of position and now I am in home. It's getting irritated to you. So why can't we be financially strong again? This is the second reason. Third reason, many girls want to fulfill their dreams, want to work for their passion, but they are unable to do. Lack of support and lack of encouragement and lack of path. This is the third reason. Fourth reason, suppose someone's husband died or divorce cases. Fifth reason. So they are also going to be their homes and they are depend upon their brothers, sisters or father, mothers once again. They are also worry about their child's education. Everything finished, now what I will do. So like this, many cases is there in India where you can see women are not financially independent. If you are a financially independent, in case any day if you require anything, then you no need to call I need this much of amount. Suppose that person will deny it, you will feel bad, right? So you have to plan for your financial planning, management, and basic things. So I will let you know how to do it. As a woman, how you will manage, I will do it. If a recent survey, which I am remembering, recent survey, if you are checking, out of percentage, 3 out of 1 woman is financially independent in these special categories, which point I have already told you. So what you will do, what you can do for you, for making a business, you have to give, you should be a business experience, you have to invest much money and you should be a traditional experience on this. You should be search a rent and you should search for a person who will be very reliable for you, but that much thing will give you complicated, again you will stop. And second thing I'm going to telling you, like if you're searching for the job, then again you will search for worried about your child, where will keep my child, how will manage alone with my child and professional, that is a big issue. And third thing I'm going to tell you, without support and anything cannot do anywhere. If you're getting opportunity from your home, then are you able to do this in 100% dedication? Yes, you can able to do this. It's for me, it's up to you. Like this, you have to think positively, you have to make your mind accordingly. Nowadays, for this time, for saving, doing the family support, saving the monies for your future, you the best of option for a woman is digital entrepreneur, which is like network marketing. You, yeah, after listening from my mouth that network marketing, then you will disconnect this, you will stop watching this video, I know, but you should listen end of the last 1-2 minutes. I will clearly inform you what is this. See, if you work in a company as a sales director or sales manager or project manager or any field, anywhere, the company needs revenue, money. Without revenue, will he able to pay the salary for you? No, right? Similarly, for fulfilling a dream, fulfilling a things, you need money, right? So everywhere they do sales. Here I'm not telling this is a sell. I'm just teaching you the current scenarios. Okay. Everywhere they do build a network. They do build a relationship in between company and customer. Either it will be a personal loan, home loan, credit card. Either it will be some software sell or some project work. Either it will be like I have a shop, I need to sell these things, I have the management of the relation of customer. That is called network. So if you are agree to do this in that professionalism, then why do you saying no this area? You are, see, for doing network marketing, you no need to invest single rupees. You no need to go for any qualification. You no need to do for any experience. Simply you are in home through digital, you can do it. You are spending the time of in Facebook and WhatsApp for entire 2-3 hours. You cannot spend dedication wise 2 hours in a day for these things. What is network? Let me tell you what is network in few seconds and how you are doing this. I'm giving you some examples, some daily use things. Like I'm working in Oriflame as a currently I'm promoted as a manager, then I have dropped on, it's a consultant. It's private, depend upon your every month performance. So I'm telling you daily things for a woman, what you need, starting from soaps, talc, starting from bath gel, face wash, starting from cream, body lotion, shampoos, conditioners, starting from lipsticks, kajals, everything you do spend for the other brand. There, did you get any benefit? Did you get any offers? Anything else? Did you get expecting anything from this company? Previously, I used to use like Lakme, Ali Items, Lotus. I'm not telling these companies are bad. I'm telling you, did you get any benefit? No, right? I converted my personal purchase into my business model, which is I buys everything from Oriflame, where as a member I save the money. That is a discount from normal customer to member. And second thing, there I save the money. And second thing, the similar thing I recommended of my friends or families in 5%. They do the same in my network and they also save their money, and according to your performance and team you will increase, you will get your salary monthly. This is what the concept, this is what the fundamental system. Because to become a, you are working for 1-2 months, you are spending money, then you are telling it's nonsense, is worst. See, to become a doctor you need 7 to 8 years. To complete your graduation you need 15 years of time. Then for network marketing industry you are going without any learning and you are telling that I'm not success, then that is rubbish only. First you have to learn, then you have to act, then you have to do. At least it will take time. Some cases it will be early happen, some cases it will take time. You have to be consistency, then only you will do it. So network marketing is a very good option for the women, because the women know how to make relation, because from one home to another home, while they're making relationship with their home. So they know very well how to make relationship and they know how to manage, and definitely this they can manage this. And many women in network marketing, they got success, they do help and their family in financial independence, they do spend for education well for their child. if you are desire, if you are dream, if you want to fulfill your dream, and sapne, and dream is just like I want to flew and catch it. Like this, you have to give your 100% dedication over to your work in network marketing. You have to give your passion and to enter things for 3 to 4 years at least. Then you will get a sustainable, a good value of amount in network marketing industry. You can take your retirement early. You can plan for your future. Also, many more things you will get it. If you want to know more how I will do, what is this, what is the benefit, how I will get, then message me, contact me. I will definitely guide you. If I'm telling anything wrong, any feedback, you can personally message me. I'll definitely answer your query. Till the time, say bye. Again, I'll come with the next topic with the new things. Thank you. Bye bye.